welcome back to my channel. My name is Phan, and today we are doing the annual what I got for Christmas haul. Disclaimer stay the same, and I actually skipped it last year, which was my first year skipping this video. Today is the day after Christmas, so posting a little bit late compared to everyone else, but I did spend the entire day with my family at home being safe, so I hope you all are having a wonderful happy holidays as well as staying safe at home with or without your family. I'm sending my love to you, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So without further ado, let's get into the Christmas haul. So let's go ahead and start off with something small. We're gonna go into my stocking. I feel like my camera is picking up this really bright. The sun's kind of going in and out, but this is my stocking. We all have like these cute little Target, I'm pretty sure, faux fur stockings, but in here my older sister put in some of these Hello Kitty or Sanrio character shot glasses. So I have Hello Kitty, so cute, Cinnamoroll, and My Melody. These are super cute. I don't necessarily collect shot glasses, but I always buy them if they're like really cute, and I believe my older sister Kelly got these off of Etsy, so thank you to her for these. I love them. And then from my younger sister, she threw in a couple makeup goodies that we actually just chose for each other in the store together. So I just have this setting spray that I really like from ColourPop, and one more of these Maybelline lifter glosses that I absolutely love. This is in the shade Opal, and it's like a shimmery pink. Very, very cute. And then my younger sister also threw in these little face razors, which are always handy. So thank you to Cindy for these. Let's just go with whatever's in my box right now. My little sister got me this aloe set, super cozy. It's like this ribbed knit material with the matching shorts. So definitely gonna wear these to lounge around in. I also have a remote internship starting in January, so definitely gonna work from home in this. I love aloe stuff, so literally anything from the store I will love. So thank you to Cindy for this awesome set. And then she also got me these two pieces from Lululemon, like this. It's green and reversible. I'm pretty sure it's like this lighter green inside. So this is super cute. I love Lululemon, like they're super soft bra tops, because I wear them kind of just around the house. I don't work out too much, but when I do like these ones the most because they are super, super soft, and I don't need that much support, so I love them. This is the alignment bra, in alignment bra, so she got me these two in really pretty, very autumny colors. So thank you to Cindy for these. And then my older sister Kelly and her boyfriend got me this set from Aesop. I love Aesop Soap, and it's not something I talk about often, but it's just like a simple luxury that I don't indulge in too often. So I was really surprised to get this because I didn't even know that they knew that I liked Aesop. They got me the hand wash as well as the body cleanser, which is just the body wash. So I'm very excited to use these. Thank you to Kelly and Chris for this. And they also got me a hand cream, and I actually really like this one. This is the one I already have, so I'm glad I have a backup. I keep these in my bags and my drawers everywhere because my hands get super dry in the winter. So I love this. I love Aesop, so this is super exciting for me. And then from both of my sisters, my favorite gift from this year, it's kind of a big one. I see this trending all over TikTok as a very big gift for this holiday season, but I too also got the Dyson Air Wrap. This is from both of them. They found it in Nordstrom, so I think it was before it sold out for the holiday season, which is what they told me. They bought this in Nordstrom, and I love it. I already tried it out yesterday really quick just to see if I can get the hang of it. It seems pretty fun, so you guys can see me test it out a little bit more on my socials at lisaphan if you want to see how I use it. But I'm so excited for this. I usually don't style my hair too often. I've laid off heat for a while, so I'm excited to try this out and see how it changes my hair. It maybe makes it feel better, healthier maybe. So I've wanted it for a while, but I never got it for myself. So very excited about this. So thank you to them for the Dyson Air Wrap. This was definitely a surprising one from my siblings, so thank you to Cindy and Kelly for spoiling me. I got a few things from my friends. My roommate Lori got me a bar cart, which is back at our apartment, which I can't show you, but thank you to Lori for the bar cart. And then one of my closest friends at school named Sasha, she got me this beautiful bracelet, and it matches with my roommate because we're both L initials, but it's an L bracelet right here, the letter L right here. I think it's super cute. My necklaces, this one's from Georgiana, so I love the brand, and I got got this little cute chain bracelet from Sasha. So thank you for this. I love it. I've been wearing it since I got it. And then from my extended family on my mom's side, they came over and gave us a few gifts, which I'm really excited about. I have a few things for my cousins that are already just like around the house because it was decor, but my aunt gave me a robe and some slippers. Here's the robe. She got me a pink robe. I'm pretty sure you can get this off of Amazon, but it's super cozy, really, really long. So I'll be lounging in this for the rest of my stay at home at my parents' house. It's very cute in this bright pink color because she knows I love pink. My childhood room here at my parents' house is the one that you guys see me grow up in, is pink, so definitely fitting for my stay here, as well as my other aunt who got me this sweater and socks set that is super cute and cozy. It's like that chenille soft fabric, so very excited to wear this, stay cozy for the winter time. I'm actually like, I need to wear these socks because I love chenille and they're just super soft. I love the purple kind of traditional sweater pattern. So thank you to my aunties for the awesome gifts. And then for my little cousin, she got me a cute little Bath and Body Works set, so little mini hand sanitizer, lotion, and body mist. So thank you to her for this. It's also pink. Everyone knows I like pink. And then last but not least, I have things for my parents. Speaking of pink, they got me the Philips Sonicare toothbrush that I've been wanting for a while. I haven't tried it out yet because I didn't want to open it yet, but it's pink. The toothbrush itself is pink, and then it comes with the case because a lot of my friends use the Philips Sonicare toothbrush and I thought I'd try it out as well. So yeah, my parents got me this, so thank you to them for this toothbrush. Right now I use the Philips, it's like the small one. I have like the smaller Philips toothbrush, so this one's like a step up from my current toothbrush. So the next item from my parents is from Origia, and the sun's just not doing this bag any justice, but I love the winter packaging. This was on my wish list for a while, just didn't buy it. But this is the Origia Slouch Coat. I will insert a little try on because it does not do it any justice, me holding this from the floor. But this is in the size 1 since it is oversized. I think there's 1, 2, and 3. And I also wanted it in tall because I wanted the coat to be super long. I'm not that tall, I'm like 5'5", but most coats kind of just hit me right below the knee, which I like to have it extend to close to my ankle. So I got it in the tall and I really like the length of this. It's an amazing coat, super warm. I believe the tag said that it can withstand up to -20 Celsius. So if you're eyeing this coat, I believe it's on sale right now during their winter sale. But I also got it for Christmas, so I will be buying it, but I love it. I love the fit of this one because it's perfectly oversized but not drowning. I can go to a size 2 if I wanted more space under the jacket, but this is the perfect black coat, which I actually don't own a black coat at all. I have a black puffer, but not a coat. So this will be perfect for the more dressy looks. And I see that the sun is literally taking over my body right now. So we have one last thing to share, but thank you to my parents for the Slouch Coat. I love her and I love Origia, so it is definitely something that I was eyeing and I really appreciate it. So I already wore it today, like this morning, so super warm. I love it. I literally wore a tank top under it and I was perfectly fine in 40 degrees. So let me just move this a little bit forward. And last but not least, the last piece from my parents, besides a pajama set that my dad got everyone, my dad got us all matching PJs on Christmas morning, which was really cute, but this is the last piece from my parents. And I got a new pair of Alexander McQueen sneakers. If you guys see my Instagram, I literally wear my McQueen sneakers with almost every outfit and I love them. I bought them back in 2019 when I was in London and I love them. They're kind of my beater shoes now, which is really bad. I didn't intend to make them so messy, but they are a little bit and they have like the suede backing. So this year I quietly maybe hinted and asked, maybe sent a link to my sisters, that I saw these McQueens on Essence on sale and I really liked it because here they are. I'm just gonna show you. So these are my new McQueen sneakers. Now I have 2 pairs of the same shoe, but it's a different color. I really like the style. It's the perfectly chunky shoe, all white, and in the back of these ones, and since I already wore these, I don't want to touch the bottom, but in the back it is like this green faux croc pattern finish. So I really like this. This definitely won't get dirty and I can just wipe it off. The other one is like a more suede finish, so it's definitely dirty. It's supposed to be like a baby pink, but my other ones, they're like beige now. So I got these and I love the green and I love how shiny it is. So I'm gonna try my best to keep these clean. I promise I'll try. So thank you to my parents for these sneakers. I love these. If you're eyeing these, I know they're quite typical in terms of luxury suede sneakers, but I really like them because it gives me a little bit of height. They need some time to break in, but if you're walking around a lot and you just try them on for the first time, just wear a little bit of a thicker sock to make sure you loosen up the leather and the tongue of the shoe, because it is quite hard when you buy it. But I love these shoes. They're my everyday shoe. They're easy to slip on and off. So yeah, I love these and I'm so happy about the green. You guys know that I've been obsessed with green this season, so these were perfect. And thank you to my parents for the amazing gifts. So next, the Dyson. These are so cute. So, and that is all I got for Christmas this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I was gonna do a little portion of what I gave for Christmas, but I realized I didn't film any of the things I gave this year, but and I didn't even vlog the morning, so I don't have any footage of that to share. But it was a pretty good Christmas to spend time at home very intimately with my immediate family and two of my mom's sisters. I hope you guys also enjoyed your Christmas day or whatever holidays you're celebrating this year during break. Everyone deserves a little break at the end of 2021, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is a little small break into my comeback to the YouTube channel, but I thought I'd come back with a little bit of this since it is an annual tradition. So yeah, that is all for my Christmas haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, bees!